This particular app just dashed me 3,000 naira just for free without doing anything. Just give, just take. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact way you can also get your own 3,000 naira for free. So what you just need to do is to pay close attention to details I'll be explaining in this video. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joaquin. And so what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch right now. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group where I want giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. You can find these links down there in the video description. So without no much talk, let's dive into today's business.
Join Affiliate now to get 3,000 naira available cash and share gift to get 4,500 naira just on this app. So once you click on get now, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you get to input your email address. So right now, let me go ahead to input my email address. Let me use this and click on continue. It's going to prompt you to continue with this. Okay, you can also come down to choose which of your Google accounts you want to use for this account. Let me say I'm going with this. All right, then you click on continue. So it's going to direct you back to that page. What you just need to do is to continue the process. Right now you can see that you have been given free 3,000 naira as a new affiliate on this app. So you just have to come down and click on got it. You can just come here and click on got it also. These are your referrals link. All right, so you can just come here and click on finish. Let me show you what you need to do. You can come down here to click on copy. This is your affiliate link, then share with your friends. But let me go over to your home so you can see. So right now you can see that you have available balance of 3,000 naira on your account. Right over here, you cannot go ahead to withdraw this. All right, so stick to the end of this video so I can show you how you can leverage this platform and earn every single day as an affiliate on this app. Now this app allows you earn commission from referrals in a global of 77 countries. So right now when you come down, you can see that you'll be getting commission from 10 to 30% for others placed within 30 days of your referrals, and they must download this app. You can also get extra 6,000 naira for every referrals who download this app, place an order within 30 days after downloading this app. So right now you can also go ahead to click on get 4,500 naira. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you have to copy your affiliate link. And once you share this affiliate link to your friends, and once they go ahead to purchase any items from this app, you get a commission instantly. And you can also get a referral commission of 100,000 coupon bundles. So right down here you can see your affiliate link that you can use to share to your friends and affiliate this program and earn for yourself. So when you come down here, you can also see the items that you can promote and earn high commissions for yourself. So you can see that this particular product is selling for 57,718 naira and your commission is 17,300 naira. So once you head over to this second icon, you can see that this particular item sells for 164,205 naira and your commission is about 49,261 naira. So once you go on and on, you can actually see items that you can promote and you get high commissions on this particular app. So right now you can also see that this particular item is sold for 175 naira, 343 naira, and you can be getting a commission of 52,602 naira. So you can go ahead to promote any of these products and you get high commissions for yourself on this app. So if you want to promote any of this item, what you just need to do is to come down and click on share to earn, and you can actually see the affiliate link that you can actually copy to promote this particular item and get your commission instantly on your account. So once you want to promote such item, what you just need to do is to come down and click on copy link. So once you copy this link and you share this particular link to any of your customer or anyone that wants to get this particular product, once this particular person gets this product, you get high commissions for it. As you can see that commissions on this particular app are not little. You can earn as much as 50,000 naira for just promoting one single product. Now when you go on TikTok, you will see lots of TikTokers talking about this particular app, and they have actually linked their accounts straight to this particular app and they get commission for every referrals they bring into this app. So right now, when you go ahead to click on authorize, you can actually see that you can link your TikTok to this account, your YouTube and your Instagram. So once you go ahead linking your social media account to this app, you get to earn some commission for yourself when you refer people into this particular app. So right here on the screen, you can see they said 23,000 naira per invited affiliate. So when you come down here, you can see the invite guide that says earn up to 20,000 naira, invite a new affiliate with over 1,000 followers on TikTok, on Instagram and on YouTube. Earn 3,000 naira, invite an affiliate who has earned a commission in our affiliate program. So right now you can see 20% secondary commission. So once you head over to this influencer, you can see the authorization benefits, which is 139,140 naira. Also, you can see the post reward per month, which is 386,500 naira. So what you want to do next is to go ahead to click on authorize to unlock. So once you click on that, it's going to take you over to this interface where you get to link your TikTok, your YouTube and your Instagram. So once you go ahead to click on authorize, it's going to prompt you to link your social media network into this app. So once you're able to do that, you can actually start affiliating this program to earn for every affiliate you bring into this particular platform. Let's say maybe you are new to promoting of products and you don't know which product to actually promote or product that are actually trending. You can just come down to this hot item. So once you click on this hot item, it's going to show you products that are fast selling right now on this app. So right now you can see that this first rechargeable is actually selling fast. This particular JBL party box is actually selling right now, and this solar street light is also selling right now. So you can see items that are fast selling. So you don't get to promote items that people are not actually interested in. So you can actually come down to this first particular product, that is the rechargeable fan. Click on share. So once you click on share, this is going to prompt out an interface for you to copy your affiliate link. So what you just need to do is to come down and copy your affiliate link. Then once you copy this affiliate link, you can actually promote this particular product in your WhatsApp status, in any of the group that you are into, or any atmosphere you found population of people there. So once anyone is able to get this particular product for 35,073 naira, you will be getting 10,521 naira instantly. Imagine selling this to about 30 people. You should know how much you should be making just for this single product. So you can go on and continue selling all of these products for free and start getting some commission for yourself on this app. This is to also remind you that Temu is still giving free gifts to all their new users and also existing users. All you just need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, and you can actually watch the other video linked to this particular one, so you can get to understand what and how you need to do to get your own free gift on this Temu free update that is actually changing right now. As you can see that these items are on 0 naira, that is, you're not paying any amount to get all these items. All you just need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, download the app and get your free gift. If you're finding anything difficult on how to use this particular process, all you just need to do is to use the link below this video. You're going to see a link that can actually direct you on what to do and how you can go about this particular app. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is advisable to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online, which I cannot share here on this channel. See you on my next video and keep winning.